Hi, in front of me is TCL 20L, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on easy mode on this device. First of all, access settings and scroll down. Now choose apps and click on default apps over here. Then select home app and tap on simple launcher. Then choose allow and go. Over here you need to click on the switcher next to simple launcher, select allow again and go back. As you can see, easy mode is now on. If you wish to turn it off though, you can always go into the same settings, select apps, default apps, home app and launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!